Craving something cozy, buttery, and full of cinnamon goodness, but don't feel like baking a whole cake? This cinnamon crumble mug cake is your answer. Soft, warm, and topped with a sweet, crispy streusel. It's like a bakery-style treat made right in your mug. The best part? You don't need an oven or fancy equipment, just a mug, a fork, and a microwave. Perfect for those chilly days when you want something quick, comforting, and homemade. In a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, half a tablespoon of butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Use a spoon to mix until it looks like wet sand. Crumbly and buttery. Keep this aside. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, tender base. Next, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2½ tablespoons of brown sugar for sweetness, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavor. Add 1/8 teaspoon for that extra warmth and aroma. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. This helps the baking powder spread evenly so your cake rises perfectly. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Any kind of milk works. 1½ tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a cozy flavor boost. Mix it all together until smooth and lump-free, making sure to scrape the sides and bottom of your mug. That's how you get a soft, even crumb every time. Sprinkle this crumble evenly over your cake batter. Don't stir it in. It'll bake into a golden, crunchy layer on top. Microwave your mug cake on high for about 60 to 70 seconds. Now it's time to serve. You can drizzle it with a bit of icing honey, or even top it with vanilla yogurt or whipped cream for that extra indulgence. And there you go, a warm, buttery cinnamon crumble mug cake that's soft underneath and crispy on top. It's like a cozy hug in dessert form, ready in just minutes whenever you need a little comfort. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.